OneDrive not syncing occurs from time to time, which is also the disadvantage of most cloud storage services. Now, why are my OneDrive files not syncing at times? Faced with OneDrive sync issues, we will list 16 solutions for you. Part 2 to 16 quick solutions to fix OneDrive not syncing issue. Solution 1. Compress folders or files. Solution 2. Select folders for syncing. Solution 3. Check Windows for updates. Solution 4. Ensure Windows search is running. Solution 5. Reconnect OneDrive account to Windows. Solution 6. Free up storage space. Solution 7. Turn off the Office upload. Solution 8. Keeping the path short. Solution 9. Relocate stuck stuff. Solution 10. Switch off throttling. Solution 11. Disable firewall. Solution 12. Disabling Windows Defender antivirus. Solution 13. Reset OneDrive manually. Solution 14. Reinstall or update or restart OneDrive. Solution 15. Run OneDrive with Linux. Solution 16. Ask for help from Microsoft forums. Part 2. OneDrive won't sync? Try the best OneDrive alternative for file sharing. If you just want to make a smooth backup and don't want to waste time trying the methods one by one, then Mobikin Assistant for Android can meet your pressing need. How to use Mobikin Assistant for Android to sync Android data. Back up the entire Android phone to a computer in batches. Step 1. Open the software and plug your Android device into a computer. Step 2. Click on Super Toolkit from the top menu to get the Backup and Restore button. Step 3. Tap on Backup to check your desired data types from the incoming window. Next, choose a location on the computer to save the selected files and hit Backup to put your Android files to this PC or Mac. Transfer Android data to a computer selectively. To do this, simply turn to My Device to select the file types from the left panel. Then, preview and opt for the wanted items. And finally, click Export to get the Android files to your computer as a secure backup.